Hey you guys, Luke Newcomer here with the Newcomer Group. I'm exceptionally excited to share this property with you. It's 108 Bridge Street, primo location, investor alert. I'm talking to anybody that's looking to park their money, purchase a cash flowing investment. You've got an exceptional restaurant, Preserve, right around the corner. Again, we're in Lincolnville. If we can get a quick shot of that entire property, we're gonna be taking a tour, a very private tour. What comes to mind for me is student housing. 10 bedrooms. Let's say you get $500 to $700 a bedroom, 5 full bathrooms, just shy of 4,000 square feet. Let's go take a look right now. All right, guys, we're inside 108 Bridge Street. Again, I said this is an amazing investor special alert. What I see first, student housing, 10 bedrooms, they each have their own lock on it. Shared communal space downstairs, great fireplace, living quarters, nice hardwood floor. This was built in 1925. I mean, this is a very old home, great bones though. You come into this section, you've got dining set up. You could set it into, possibly even more living space. Great built-ins. Come around here though. Now, typically we don't show you guys the laundry room. But for the sake of this, when I say student housing with Flagler College around the corner, 2 washers, 2 dryers, put a blind right here and close it all off. Beverage fridge, meat fridge, great extra space. You're gonna need the storage. We're gonna come out here. We're gonna be in the communal kitchen. Nice countertops, 2 refrigerators. Off to the right, full bathroom. This is the first bathroom of 5. I'll stand in here for reference so you get a feel for the space because again, just shy of 4,000 square feet, there's a lot to work with. Another living quarters, hangout spot here. So, I mean, truly, when you've got this much square footage, this many people living in a property, you're gonna want some space to spread out and hang out. But we're gonna get through these quick. Bedroom 1 of 10. Simple space. If you're a student, hostel, you can put a bed here, mini fridge, closet. That's all you need. I've been to Flagler. I know what you need. Each one of these bedrooms has a door code. That way you can keep all your personal stuff in here. We're going into bedroom 2 of 10. Again, the bed's nothing exciting, but it's perfect for what you're gonna need. Bedroom 3. This is all the first floor, guys. So we're gonna go into bathroom 2 of 5. Simple, everything's clean, everything's ready to go. All you gotta do is get the renters in here and start collecting your checks. Outside access to a nice porch, very simple exterior maintenance here. It's essentially all parking and house here. So landscaping is not gonna be a big issue. We're gonna go up to the 2nd floor. Again, foyer set up here, plenty of storage underneath the stairs. Let's go check out the upstairs. We're coming up to the 2nd floor. I'm gonna start at the front of the house. We're gonna work our way back. So we're gonna start down here first. We're gonna step into this little loft room area. Easily could be a bedroom. There's a code on the door so you can make it that way, but just want to come in here for reference. Nice high ceilings, tons of glass and natural light. We're going to go back up. To my left, another bedroom. Get you a quick shot of that. Looks like a smaller one. Another bedroom. I mean, these bedrooms are really, really, really great space. It's everything that you'd need. Bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. Bedroom off to my right. All these rooms too, I mean, the tiny details here show off the historic charm. Coming into another bathroom, similar setup. Another bedroom. I'm telling you guys, it's endless here. Great closet space. Then we're gonna go over here. 3 more bedrooms, 1 more full bathroom, currently being leased at $500 a door. So we're not gonna go inside these rooms, but I'm gonna show this section of the property for reference. Bedroom, 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 full bathroom. We don't need to see that right now. And then you've got all this extra space. So the minute you take these keys, you're gonna be collecting $1,500 in rent. You also have access to the outside deck from this side of the house. Folks, just shy of 4,000 square feet, 108 Bridge Street. You have to come see this place to truly understand it. There's so many opportunities, so many investment options for this property. You just got to bring your creative mindset to the table and we can make it happen. 108 Bridge Street. My name's Luke Newcomer. I look forward to showing you this property real soon.